Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you're doing well. Let's get started. Well, everyone deals with depression in different ways. Some try to handle themselves while others can help. I'm not telling you that you can fight depression on your own, but there are definitely certain things you can do for yourself. Well, let's talk about 9 self-care ideas when you're in depression that could help you. This will help channel your ideas. Journaling is a huge success. You might be surprised at how big of an impact this can have. Many studies published that journaling is a leader fight for depression, and the results are very promising. Journaling forces you to reflect, and it helps you get things off your chest, even if you're just admitting things to yourself. Or you connect to a friend. Even if you have no desire to get out and talk to people, you should probably at least make an effort. Researchers have looked at the most effective strategies for dealing with depression and actively participating. Well, you might want to reconnect with friends because social life is a very beneficial tactic. Humans are social animals. We actually need a community. Well, if you don't even feel like going outside, then just open your window. Get some fresh air. Just breathe. This will help. And then reward yourself with a badge. And be proud of it. Because you deserve nothing more but happiness. Well, like I said before, humans are social animals. We actually need a community of some kind. So, maybe gather your friends, like-minded people to talk. Third, have a comfort food. Certain foods and diets definitely have a strong effect on depression. You could choose to go super healthy, and that definitely helps with their state of mind. But you might be surprised at the antidepressant qualities of various food, including chocolate, which has boosting qualities. Well, even tea or coffee or pizza. These are great for fighting depression, and this is backed up by numerous studies. Who doesn't love these things? Well, 4. Humor. You've all heard that laughter is the best medicine. Well, I might not be too far from the truth. It's a great way to deal with depression. Watch a funny movie or a stand-up comedian. Do whatever that makes you laugh, as it releases endorphins and decreases stress hormones and has many other benefits. Well, have you ever heard of St. John? Or you all know that antidepressants are one of the most common ways to deal with depression. These are medications prescribed by professional, and they're a little more than natural. If this is the case, and St. John wort is definitely an option. These are natural herb, which is proven effectiveness that whenever you get mild depression, although it won't do much for severe cases. Well, that's not a problem. You can always adopt another self-care idea, which is perhaps you might want to start doing physical activity. It might be the simplest of the solution. It could really help you. Well, there are a lot of studies showing that regular vigorous exercise is one of the best ways to fight depression. Exercise releases endorphins, which are natural feel-good chemicals in the body. Seeing the physical changes in our body after a hard workout is a great booster as well. There is really no downside to getting a little exercise done, and you're pretty much guaranteed to feel really good afterwards. Well, give yourself a thumbs up. I'm sure you'll be really proud of yourself once you've accomplished something. Another self-care idea would be bibliotherapy, another proven method for dealing with depression. Although the word might sound complicated, it's actually pretty simple. A physical therapy is the use of books in therapy. This is probably one of the most popular self-guided forms of therapy out there, and it has a great track record. Usually, there's an initial consultation with the professional and the therapist, and the patient is to book to guide themselves along therapy journey. While the book instructs on depression, and anxiety or mood. One thing to keep in mind is that it's only recommended for those with mild depressive symptoms. Well, it can also improve your mood, hence exercise is a great way to improve your mood, and you will feel much better. Another self-care idea would be yoga. A few different studies have examined how yoga can help with depression, or even if you try meditation, that will help as well. Someone say that yoga is just another form of exercise. In truth, it's one of the many ways that people describe yoga. It's a kind of meditation in motion. It can be spiritual in nature, and they can also be very introspective. The results speak for themselves. Now, let's move on to our another self-care idea, which is meditation or mindfulness. Meditation might just be one of the oldest self-care techniques in history. People have been meditating for thousands of years, and the effects of this practice are well documented. The aim of meditation is to teach inner peace, which makes it a perfect strategy for combating depression. Well, now let's talk about massage therapy. It's always good to treat yourself to a nice massage, but if you're trying to pursue a lifestyle of self-care, then you might want to seriously consider a massage therapy. It won't cure depression, but hey, it's never a bad thing. Thank you for watching.